Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of TikTok makeup hacks. So let's just jump right into all the hacks. So this first hack is something that is a little bit scary, but kind of cool, I guess. So I've seen a bunch of this on TikTok where they would use Vaseline as primer. And Marilyn Monroe used to do this, so that's what I'm going to be doing to prime the face. So I am going to use a super small amount of it, maybe like that much, on the entire face. I might need to, I don't know. Okay, I don't have a brow hack, so I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this next hack is a complexion hack. So this TikTok hack was from Mary Phillips. She's a professional makeup artist, and I actually tried it before, and it's one of my favorite hacks. I love doing it. So what she does is she does the underpainting technique, where she does her contour or her concealer. I don't know, I think she also does her blush, but I don't really do my blush for underpainting because I'm not going to, because I have another blush hack. So I'm going to start with contouring. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Halo Glow contour one. This is, and my favorite brush to apply this product is the Morphe Ariel brush number A58. I just like to kind of not use the applicator when contouring the cheeks, so I just kind of brush it onto the brush. I'm going to start it kind of like right in the middle of the cheek, kind of like right on the cheekbone. I'm going to add a little bit more to the brush and go on the forehead, and I do sometimes just use the applicator. I'm going to go on the eyes as well. You know, we can go directly into the concealer. I'm going to take the ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I'm going to put it in this, position. I put it right underneath the contour, and then on the forehead. Now let's do, because I'm still doing the underpainting, and I want to do another contour hack. So I'm going to take the contour wand again, and I'm actually going to use, so there's another TikTok hack where they would use tweezers to contour their nose. So I'm just going to paint the tweezers and hope that this works. What? I can't even see it. Like, not working. Annoying. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do my normal contouring because that did not work. Now we can blend that all in. I'm going to blend in the highlight first, or the concealer in first. Okay, now that I have everything blended in nicely, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush like this. I'm going to use my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to squirt this on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use the Real Techniques powder brush to apply it. I'm going to go very lightly with this. Okay, great. Now I guess we can do the blush hack. So this, I'm going to use, it said to use like a liquid lipstick, but this is, I guess this is technically liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Powder Puff Lippy. I'm going to use the color Squad Gold. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to use this part of your palm and kind of like go like this, and then press it onto your cheeks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just paint this area of my palm first. Okay, so I'm going to just go like this, I guess. I don't know. And then start applying it. I don't know if I went too high. Maybe I went a little too high. Maybe. And then you just use your finger to blend. Now I'm going to do another concealer hack because I kind of wanted to try it. So I didn't really have, I have. Okay, so I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Angel Line Eraser Concealer. But first, this hack is to use a eyeshadow base underneath, or under the eyes before you go in with the concealer. So I'm going to use the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I think this would be better if you didn't have anything else under the eyes. I already did put concealer under the eyes. That was a bad idea on my part. And then, I guess, same thing. So I'm going to do that lift effect with the concealer. And while I let that kind of set in, I'm going to use the same concealer, and we are going to do some spot concealing, but I'm going to use a tiny brush like this. And also kind of let that soak in for a little bit. And I'm going to now press in the concealer under the eye. And then I can also press in the... Okay, I'm going to powder the face really quick, and we can continue doing some of the hacks. This next hack was a little bit, cool, because I'm like not great at doing a cut crease, and what I saw on the TikTok is they used their lash curler to kind of use it as a guide for the cut crease. So they would put the eyeshadow kind of like right in here. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take my ColourPop bronzer, or matte bronzer in Avila Beach. I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A11 and start applying. I really like this one because you can really, it's definitely a nice guide. But I would just prefer to use concealer and do the normal way of doing a cut crease. It does work. I really like that one. But again, prefer to do it in the normal way. Okay, for the mascara hack, I found this one from, I never actually thought of doing my mascara like this. Because I would think, like, I would get mascara kind of like, on the lid. So I'm going to curl my lashes really quick. Actually, first, you know what I forgot? I forgot to do I have no idea where my brown eyeliner is, but I guess I'm going to have to use a black. So I'm going to take my Jafra Power Liquid Eyeliner in, what is Midnight Black. So this TikTok is where you take your eyeliner, just place it right here, and then go like this really quickly. Just kind of turn your head really quick, and it'll do a nice sharp line for you. I tried it yesterday when I was trying to find all these TikTok hacks, and I love this. So I'm going to start with this one, I guess. So I'm just going to place it right here. Yes. And then you're supposed to connect. And then I mess it up. Oh my goodness. Every single time I tried it and I messed it up. Okay, you know what? Let's try this again. I found my brown eyeliner. Yay. So this is the ColourPop BFF Liquid Liner in Grande. Okay, I think that is good. Let's try the other side. That didn't even do anything. Then we can go back to the mascara hack. So curling my lashes. So the mascara that I'm going to be using today is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So in the TikTok, what she did, instead of blinking into the mascara wand, you kind of roll it up like this. So I thought I would do it like one eye, like with the technique, or with the hack, and then the other eye, just how I normally do my mascara. And we can compare. Okay, that is the mascara hack. I can definitely see a difference. I love the mascara hack technique. My lashes look so long and curled with this. But I think it's just because I have a problem sometimes with these lashes on my right eye. So, I mean, usually that's what happens. So, I mean, I love the way that my left eyelashes look. They're amazing. Okay, I'm going to quickly apply mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, now let's do a highlight hack. Where's my highlighter? Okay. So, and again, I don't remember the name of this one, but she's also a professional makeup artist, and she places the highlight in a different way than normally, than like that strip of highlight here. I've done this before on my channel if you go back and watch some of the videos. But I kind of stopped and like, now when I was researching these TikToks again, I found this hack again and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to take the Jafra highlight stick in Bubbly, and what she does in the TikTok is she does the high points of the face. So where the sun or where the light would hit, so that would be here. So I think I did it sometimes here, and then here. So I'm just going to take a small amount of it and then blend it with my finger. I'm going to go here. It's pretty much on the right above the arch of the brow. And this is really pretty because it looks really natural. And then I take my finger to actually apply the highlight in the inner corner because it's easier to apply it with the finger, especially with this highlighter. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. There's 2 more makeup hacks left. So I'm just going to kind of take my makeup wipe and kind of remove any foundation that got on the lips. This hack is to use the brow pencil that I used on the brows. I'm not going to use the same one that I used on my brows, but I'm going to use a different one. And then the highlight blush that you used. Since we actually used a liquid lipstick as a blush, I'm going to use liquid lipstick as my lip color, and then a lip gloss. So first, I'm going to use the brow pencil. So this is the Maybelline the Milani Stay Put Brow Sculpting Mechanical Pencil. I love this pencil. It's the only thing is it's a little too dark, but hopefully it'll look nice on the lips. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to line the lips like a normal lip liner. Not go too thick with this. Alright, now that the lips are nice and lined, I'm going to take, I'm actually going to take a small brush like this one. This one is the Morphe and Aria brush number A7, and just blend the edges of this look, or of this, blend the edges of the lip. I don't think they said that to do that in the, or maybe they did, but I don't remember. And then I'm going to take the NYX Powder Puff Lippy that we used on the cheeks. And then with a brush, actually, I'm going to apply the MAC lip gloss in clear. No, I love it. I think if you're like traveling and you need to bring a lot of makeup, this will be perfect so the makeup look can be really nice and cohesive. Okay, I think is it the last one though? Okay, so I wanted to kind of wait for applying the eyeshadow base before you apply the concealer is supposed to help the under eye not crease. And there's literally no creasing. Like, I crease a lot under the eyes, and there's no creasing whatsoever. I absolutely love it. This last hack is another kind of vintagey hack. This hack is from Lisa Eldridge. When I saw it, I was like, that's the coolest thing ever, because I don't know, I thought it was really cool. Okay, what she does, she takes, and this is, like I said, this is another old hack. You take a glass of ice water and then a cotton round, and they dip it in the cold water or ice water, and then they press the cotton round all over the face, I guess to act like a setting spray. So when they dip it in, not a lot. When I tested this one out, I dipped it in too much, I think, and I did that again. That is good. And she used 2, but I'm only going to use 1. Ow, that's cold. And lightly press this on the face. And yesterday when I tested this one out, it took off a lot of foundation. And now that I took off just a little bit, if you can see, a tiny bit there. Wow. Okay, that is pretty cool. It looks amazing. Okay, so that was all the TikTok makeup hacks that I have. So now let's do the Bible verse of the day. This one is Matthew 5:5. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. And that was Matthew 5:5. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!